Alright boys and girls, welcome back to the channel. Today we're experiencing the M3 E36. Whoa. Oh my god, I need one of these right now. This is insane. I felt like I was traveling through time. Okay. The door feels like not crashed and written off.
Not used to it, are you?
No, I usually drive written off cars. Whoa. So this is an E36, except it's like the best E36 ever made.
Oh, this sags down, that's why I tried to learn it, but it's all gone lumpy, look. Oh, God. You can see where I've had it off.
E36 things. These seats as well, there's something else. I've never sat in Vaders before.
Oh, I don't personally like them.
Really? Mm. Well, if you decide to change them.
But I don't want to get rid of them, do you know what I mean?
No.
It's,
ooh, nice clutch.
It's, what do you call it? It's,
whoa, this thing is like really responsive. Okay, seatbelt.
Yeah, just do what you want.
Dude, please. You're literally spoiling me right now, I'll be honest. No way.
You go where you know where you can put your foot down a bit.
Yeah. So what did you say needs doing to the clutch?
The mass flywheel's got a noise, knocking noise.
Stop.
It's got a little, you know, you can hear it when you're sitting there, you can hear it coming through the gearbox here.
It feels, is this like stock drivetrain?
Everything's stock on it.
Bro, the clutch feels like super,
that's
like
the original clutch.
Sticky, and everything is so
tight.
Alive, yeah, tight, accurate.
It's not.
This is a stock shifter?
Yeah.
What? How?
Everything's stock.
This is insane. What? This shifts so well. This is super mega ultra tight. I've never driven an M3 in my life. Like nothing to do with M anything.
Oh, you'll get one day.
Oh, I have to. Literally.
Problem is, the longer you take, the more they're going to cost.
I know. I'm very aware of this.
You're lucky if you can get one for 15 now.
I know. It's painful. But I mean, you've done a lot of cleaning to it.
Oh yeah.
It's like perfect now. Like in my eyes, this is literally brand new, like show spec. This is so crazy. Like I'm literally just cruising in a fucking M3. Just go, basically, I'll go to Devil's Dyke. There's a way to get to that from here quite quickly. Dude, what? This, if my car I'm building now, the black coupe, if it feels anything like this, I will literally be so happy. This shifter is incredible, and I can't believe that it's stock.
I found it notchy today.
It is slightly notchy, but it's like BMW notchy. So it's like the stock box just working exactly perfectly. Because the one I have now, I drove this 318 IS saloon thing, and the shifter is like, I have to kind of guess where the gears are. Oh my god, the low end torque is actually stupid. Third
gear, it loves third gear.
Oh,
you just get it onto a hill and leave it in third gear and rev it right round. Keep the rev.
Still there. Sorry, car.
Yeah, don't like low revs.
No. Well, I mean, it doesn't like me just dropping the clutch.
It's a happy place when you're at about 5,000 revs or 6,000.
Wow. Dude, does it actually rev to 75k?
It revs to 7.5, yeah. I redline all the time.
Stop.
Because of that, when you get to red light, you get this.
Wow.
It's almost like it backfires when you get to maximum revs.
Yeah. Oh.
Three times on the way here, it limiter.
Wow. Okay, so I'm guessing you wouldn't mind if I did that.
No.
Oh god, you're genuinely spoiling me, I'll be honest. It's so quiet as well, stock exhaust.
Yeah.
I love that.
Don't attract too much attention.
No, exactly. It's just a standard good car. This is what I want the black coupe to be. Oh my god. I can't believe I'm driving an M3, dude. I hope that there's not too many people at Devil's Dyke, so I can actually open up a little bit.
It's school time, isn't it? So,
yeah, exactly. Yeah. So this has dual mass flywheel from factory.
Yeah, someone said to me, put a solid one in. I don't want to ruin the drive. I'd just rather just spend 800 quid on the clutch.
Yeah, nice.
And the ring and the seal, rear seal.
Yeah, that's good. That'll be perfect. This would feel nice and fresh.
Got all the bushes for the back.
Nice.
All those gearbox mounts.
Yeah, perfect. So are you getting all the stuff from BMW?
I get most of it from, some of it from there, most of it I get from Autodoc.
Oh yeah? No way. Okay.
Takes a week to come, I'm not in a hurry.
Yeah.
I just order in bits as I do.
Yeah.
I've got to spare a couple of £100, I've got to order some more bits.
Yeah, nice.
I've got some more bits coming this Friday.
Sick.
It doesn't like low revs, it likes to pull away with a bit more.
Yeah. I like to kind of not burn the clutch, if that makes sense.
Yeah, I'm even to change it.
Yeah, absolutely. True. This clutch and gearbox situation feels so good. Like, this is the best shifting clutch sort of situation I've ever felt in my life. I'll do a little pull here. I'll wait for that person to... Come on, guy. Alright. Pinned. Whoa.
That's what I mean. It's hard to get it in gear.
Yeah.
Just leave it in third gear now and you'll love it.
Oh my god. Dude, what the fuck? We're doing 80.
Go around that easy.
I don't know the limits. I'm not trying to push it. Oh my god. No f***ing way.
What the fuck?
What? Dude, what? What? This is like... So, I had this Corolla T-Sport. Like the early ones. It was 2003, and that thing had a naturally aspirated 4-cylinder in it, which had dual VVTi, and it would rev to like 8,000 RPMs. And yeah, I see what you mean. There's something going on. I think it's the bushes. And that thing did what this does, except this is a BMW, so it does it a million times better. But like, there's like a secondary pull. Yeah, really high in the RPMs.
It kicks in at the Vanos.
Yeah, that's it.
Kicks in at about 5,000, 5,500.
Yeah.
But you keep it in third gear and just keep it wound up all the time. It'll pull all the time.
Yeah, this is wonderful.
Just keep pulling.
Yeah, this is at the verge of Vanos. He might get overtaken. Corner 80. This is, I don't trust. I don't want to crash your car. Oh, I felt that. Oh jeez. Whew. Oh my god. I need one of these right now. Dude, what? This is insane. I felt like I was traveling through time. Ah, dude. Those last 1,500 RPMs. That's so necessary. Damn.
Just loves being over 5,000 revs.
Yeah. It lives up there.
It's a happy place.
Yeah. Dude. Oh my god.
I often drive around just in third gear.
I mean, I would. I mean, my face is like broken. It's stuck on like full smile mode. Okay, so your coolant temp as well moves. Is that normal?
Normally stays around middle.
Okay. See, it went a little bit, tiny little bit over, and then now it's gone down. So
down
that's
pretty
cute.
quick. That's why I've got a thermostat coming.
Nice. Yeah, fair enough.
And
it might be a
water pump,
thermostat switch.
water pump and new tensioners for the belts.
Nice. Yeah. I'm nah, this guy just doesn't really understand the situation. Woohoo! Dude, no way. So you can shift like way before rev limiter and it still pulls anyway? Wow. I can't believe this car. This is perfect. I need one right now. I don't want to take off, so I'll slow down. That's an actual jump. Like, you can straight up launch the car over there. I don't want this to be over. I wanted to do these corners, but I guess fuck that. Whoa. If I had one, I'm pretty sure it would literally be written off. I swear, this is way too good.
Into the field.
Straight into the field. This is insane. Thank you so much for letting me drive this.
No worries.
My mind is like blown, and my adrenaline levels, have never felt anything like this before. Oh my god, what? This is so needed. I need one of these. Wow.
Something you've always wanted. You just got to, it is a goal.
The thing is, I never actually have wanted one until now. I always thought, oh yeah, M3, like this is just like, oh, it's just another E36 got a fast
Completely
engine.
different to a 325.
It's so different. It's so different.
Don't get me wrong, they're fast cars.
Oh yeah, 100%. And they're good cars as well. They do everything. But this is next level, 100%. Oh my god, dude, you have like I was saying earlier, this is basically a gold bar of a car. It's perfect. And how you acquired it as well, incredible. This is how to do E36s though, what you've done. The way you got it in that deal, like that, and how much you have into it is exactly how you should do E36s.
The original thing was, I had a, like a catering.
Yeah.
It was a Robin Hood.
Yeah, okay, nice.
And I was fed up with it raining, can't use it.
No.
So I just went round his house. He was the best man at my wedding. He's, you know, I've known him all my life.
Sweet, that's lovely.
And
man.
I just said to him, just jokingly, I'll give you £6 for a BM as you're not using it. He went, yeah, all right then. Well, you'd never seen me sell a car so quick. My old car. I was round there the next day with the money. And he went, you weren't joking, were you? And I went, no. And he went, no, here's the keys.
Fucking perfect.
Yeah.
I reckon on the track this thing will be a beast. With some proper sticky slicks or something like that.
That's what originally I got the 18s for.
Yeah.
The, Trophy R's.
Okay.
Pirelli Trophy R's.
Sweet, yeah, perfect.
I was going to put them on, but everyone kept saying 18s don't work very well.
Yeah, no, 18s are too big.
You've got to get the right offset to fit under the arch.
Yeah.
So I've decided not. I'll get rid of the tyres.
Incredible. As I say, like when I saw it, like when I walked up on the street, I was blown away by how amazing it looks. And now I've driven it, this is literally a full package. Like if any, like this is E36 boy, like perfection. It's so smooth, it's so solid, and it just literally is like the best E36 ever made. I'm so glad that you own this, because if it was someone like me owning it, this would be wasted. You already know. You were showing me like dirt between the boot sill and like underneath the windshield, and you were telling me that that's like bad, whereas that's like normal to me. That's like, if the car doesn't have that, then I'm confused, like what's happened. I love that. Like I really appreciate it.
Yeah, I mean, don't get me wrong, I like clean car, but I still use it.
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, you're telling me that you've been hitting rev limiter on the way here anyway.
Yeah, it's not a problem. I don't mind. I abuse it, but I respect it.
Of course, that's the best way to go, man. I think that this is what these cars are best for, because if you really actually respect them, they will treat you nicely back.
I keep up with the maintenance. I change the oil about every. Well, I've done 7,500 miles. I've changed the oil 3 times.
Whoa. Okay, so this thing loves you then. Yeah, that's lovely. That is beautiful. I wish I was that nice to my cars. It is the blood. It's the blood in the heart. It's incredible. Like I fully just don't even, like I keep saying that, but this is like perfect. I could never want anything more from an E36. Well, this is the M3. It's S-Reg, so 1998, right? Garry has redone the wheels himself, refinished them in a little darker gray, looking extra mean. Vaders, dove gray, perfect condition. Like this is the kind of stuff he's showing me, that this car is like just basically brand new off the showroom. Like little paint imperfections like this, but like there's like 2 of them on the whole car, and that's like the worst part. This is, yeah, insane. I'll just do a walk around so you can see. But yeah, I mean, real life M3 mirrors, OEM glass, like just perfect. This is literally my dream. Story blue as well, literally crazy. I'll show the inside again. Black headliner. He was saying it's sagging a little bit, but that's every E36 in the world. Honestly crazy. Right, so it is dusk now. I do want to just talk about this M3 because it's just on my mind, and I feel like I need to add some footage to this video, even though it's probably quite long already. Bro, E36 M3, best car, all right? Garry, again, like a million thank yous. I don't even know. I feel like I said thank you so many times, but again, like this is just such a great opportunity. and I feel blessed for getting to experience, firstly, not just any M3, but one that's such great condition. Like, I didn't know it was possible for a car to be this well taken care of, especially an E36. Every time I see E36s, they're just wasted, crashed, written off, rusty, bad paint, bad body. This thing was immaculate. Garry was saying that it's 75% perfect to him, and I basically put that on my scale, and his 75% is like 2000% for me. I want to give some final thoughts, I guess, about this E36 M3 as a car, not just Garry's one in particular. An E36 M3 is kind of like what you would want a 325i or a 328i to be, but they never are. There's more RPMs, there's more limit to be pushed, but it's still within the same perfectly balanced shell and chassis. The gearing is literally on point. I think third topped out at like 110 or something like that, which, if you think about it, a 318 IS or a 4-pot with a 444 diff tops out at that speed. And this M3 had 3 more gears to go. So I didn't actually manage to finish the video off properly. It is the next day, and I am genuinely still speechless about the M3 experience. I'm slightly confused about whether I want to own one or not, because if I was to own one, mine would have to be as good condition or even better than Garry's. And at this point in my life, I don't see how I'll be able to actually make that happen. But Garry did say that I'm welcome to take the car out again, and he was even saying that I can like just have it for a few days, feel what it's like to live with an M3, which I think is just amazing. And again, I really just want to thank Garry so much for coming out, and like, he literally delivered an M3 for me to have fun with on a Monday. Like, that is incredible. Thank you so much. You'll definitely be seeing more of this M3 on the channel, trust me. As you heard Garry talking about it, he's going to be redoing the clutch, flywheel, and just doing a bit of an overhaul over the winter season when there's salt on the roads and in bad weather. So he's actually smart about E36 ownership. Instead of beating it up and crashing it in all these wintry conditions, he's actually gonna put it away and care for it. This is stonks E36 ownership. Small update on the 318 IS saloon. That thing is currently down and needs some repairs, as you can imagine, after having sat for 10 years and then being driven by me. So you will be seeing more of that shortly. Black Coupe update, I've got a fat video of basically completing the engine swap. I'm currently finishing it off, so you will be seeing that soon as well. I want to apologize about the lull of content, but you'll hear more about that in the next video. For now, definitely leave a like if you like this content. Subscribe to the channel. More E36 and BMW stuff coming up. Got huge plans for the next couple months, so 100% stay tuned for that. Make sure you're following me on Instagram at Rogue Drive. You see all of this stuff ahead of time. I'm always on my DMs talking to you guys. I always love receiving messages and comments, so keep those coming. If you want to support the channel, visit the website rogueworld.co. As I've been talking about for the last month, I'm still working on figuring out a supplier for clothing, and I'll hopefully be able to release something for you guys ahead of the holidays. But as I say, follow me on Instagram to stay up to date with all of that as well. Other than that, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.